my name's Tom Martin and I own Water Tight Canberra. Water Tight Canberra is a plumbing maintenance business in the ACT which specialises in residential and strata maintenance. I was lucky enough to attend the 2018 Surf and Learn program in the Maldives with Matt and the team, and it was a fantastic experience. It gave me an opportunity to work on my business systems whilst being in a relaxing atmosphere. Not much of a surfer, but I certainly enjoyed relaxing on the boat, diving, swimming every day, and it was a really worthwhile experience. Since getting back from the Maldives, I've implemented new systems which I created whilst I was over there, and my business has grown as a result of that. So anyone considering going on a surf and learn program, I'd highly recommend it. And even if you're not a surfer, get out there, enjoy the waves, enjoy the sun, and have a great time.